IPOB leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu committed no offense, lawyer Ifeanyi Ejiofor told court. Ifeanyi Ejiofor, lead counsel for the IPOB leader of the Indigenous People of Biafra (IPOB), Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, has stated that IPOB is not an unlawful group, as ruled by Justice Binta Nyako in 2017. The leader further reiterated that no other court or I1 has challenged or appealed against the verdict since 2017. He therefore stated that his client will get justice because he has not committed any offense against the law based on the ruling, adding that Nnamdi Kanu is just a political prisoner. In June this year, the IPOB leader was arrested in Kenya and extradited to Nigeria to face treason charges. He was subsequently arraigned and brought before Justice Binta Nyako, a judge of Federal High Court in Abuja, who asked him to be remanded in the custody of the Department of State Services. Nnamdi Kanu is facing charges bordering on treasonable felony instituted against him at the court in response to his agitation for the Republic of Biafra. Barrister Ifeanyi Ejiofor gave an update on his latest visit to Nnamdi Kanu in detention. In a statement made available to journalists on Thursday, the lawyer said his team has recorded impressive progress in the legal battle against the Nigerian government and that it was commended by the secessionist leader. While he enjoined Nnamdi Kanu's supporters to continue to pray for him, he maintained that the pro-Biafra agitator is strong and determined in his commitment. The statement read, "I had an extensive chat with our client Onyedu Nnamdi Kanu during today's routine visit to the national headquarters of the Department of State Services (DSS). The strides so far recorded on our part is seemingly impressive, though may remain unnoticed to undiscerning minds, and he welcomed every strategy being adopted by our team, as well as the coordinating efforts of all lawyers participating in this case, including those in diaspora." He was also briefed on the inability of the federal government to file a response to his fundamental rights suit pending before the Umuahia High Court, an action substantially challenging, among others, the unlawful bloody invasion of his home on the 14th of September 2017 by Nigerian security agencies. The federal government's reasons for avoiding the court, though not far-fetched, may not be unconnected to their inability to offer an explanation on their monstrous and bloody invasion of Onyedu Nnamdi Kanu residence on the 14th day of September 2019, wherein over 28 innocent civilians were murdered in cold blood by the invading Nigerian soldiers, and properties worth billions of naira consequently destroyed in the process. Thankfully, the world is paying deserving attention to the gross human rights violations as affect our clients, as well as the continued onslaught on armed civilians being labeled as members of the IPOB. It is on record that by the ruling justice of Nyako delivered in 2017, His Lordship, while ruling on our application, held that the IPOB is not an unlawful organization. This ruling of the court was not appealed against, neither was it set aside by any superior court. We are not relenting in our effort to ensure that justice is done to our client. He will be freed and in no distant time because he has committed no offense, no law to law. He is at best a political prisoner. Nevertheless, victory will be ours in the end, I see." Onyedu was very much overwhelmed to receive the report on the overwhelming solidarity and unwavering support so far shown by millions of his supporters. People's conduct of his fans was also relayed on him, and he encouraged all and sundry to be united in one peaceful solidarity. We implore you all to continue to pray for him as you remain unshaken in your support and prayers, as well as you have always showed with the confidence of the law. Onyedu is very much strong in spirit and firm in his convictions. You will see him soon. We shall continue to provide regular updates as the event unfolds. Thank you all and remain blessed. Omu Chineke, Barrister Ifeanyi stated. Austin Ikeru is a professional blogger, YouTuber, entrepreneur and the CEO of Austin Media. You can follow him on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. So it is said on the news that the IPOB leader Nnamdi Kanu committed no offense. Lawyer Ejiofor told court, and they said he's going to be released soon. Man, I don't even know what is wrong with this Buhari administration. Somebody that is fighting for his rights, and you are doing a lot of things for the person. Like, I don't even understand. Like, why would they do like that to him? Like, I don't understand. Why would they just arrest somebody that is fighting for human rights? Let's see what people have said on social media. Some said, God is ever faithful when you stand on truth, equity and justice. And someone also said, God bless you and help you. And someone also said, upon the atrocities committed by Nigerian military and securities continuously, send Igbo Biafra youth to their early grave, and nobody has come to address that issue because God will avenge for their deaths. And someone also said, Zoo is a darkness country, and darkness can't rule